Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit packing slip on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your admin panel and go to settings and select shipping and delivery and scroll down, and here you'll find this option, packing slips. So all you have to need, just click on edit next to packing slip template, and here you can see some code. If you want to see the template, click on preview template, and here you can see the packing slip template showing up here. And if you want to edit this slip, open a new tab and type packing slip Shopify. Open this link, editing packing slips, and here you'll find these two download option. If you want your order notes to be displayed on the packing slip, then download the SFN packing slip template text file, or if you don't want your order notes to be displayed on the packing slip, then download this file. So I'm going to downloading this one. So right click above the link and click on open a new tab, select all this text and press Ctrl C to copy, and now go to your Shopify, press Ctrl A and delete, and now paste this code here, and now click on preview template, and here you can see I have successfully edited my packing slip, and then click on save, and this is how we can do it. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.